One of our customers has asked us how to pass file name from a package to a transformation. Basically, he has a bunch of Excel files in the folder, and he would like to process them one by one. I have already created a basic loop, and it has a variable called loop value. It is enabled, and it is pointing to this folder, and it is using mask. I also added show message just to demonstrate. Again, you can see loop value here, and it's using type variable. Let's run it and see what happens. Okay, file 1, file 2, file 3. So what we need to do now, we need to find a way of passing the variable here. If we just type loop value, it is not going to work. So what we need to do, we need to define a global variable and use it instead. We just copy it, and we go to options, global variables, click plus, as value, and let's call it file name. Click OK. And if we paste it here, see, it works, no errors. So what we need to do next is to use the same variable as a loop value. So we just go to variables, set it to file name, let's do it for show message as well. And now if we drop our farming example, click save. We need to save translation as well, and if you run it, we will check the log for the transformation. We will see it's actually loading data from the different file. As you can see, with global variables, this is rather easy. From my point of view, the best option not to use it at all, but just to use mask here. But every case is different, and obviously the customer is always right. Just use mask here. Do the same. The reason we always suggest it, because it is just faster, and performance is everything. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.